make my gluten-free hash browns. We start by peeling our potatoes. Next, we're going to grate our potatoes. Next, we need to squeeze out all of the liquid from the potatoes. So next, we're going with 1 egg. Next, we will go in with just over a tablespoon of gluten-free flour. And next, season with salt and cracked black pepper, just like so. To your taste buds, it's roughly about right. Simply give that all a mix up. Just pop your pan on a medium heat and then pop in some oil. I'm using olive oil. And then I'm using a mould, you don't have to do that. And then basically make them to the size that you want them. I think that's about perfect. And then we're just going to flip our hash browns. Look at that, beautiful. You can make them as thick as you want them. So that is our hash browns cooked. Just remove them from the pan on a bit of paper towel and they're pressed out.